This week, we've got a crazy story to share with you. Kris had to pick up a huge piece of equipment straight from a landfill. And here's the twist. It was being used in a search for a body. Yep, you heard that right. Stay tuned to hear more. Hey there, we're the Markhams. Kris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments.
So, the company I work for is helping out the, FBI, BCA, all that stuff in Minnesota, looking for a kid, teenager I should say, at a landfill. You can take that as you will, but it's kind of wild if you ask me. Not exactly sure how that's going, but they haven't gotten him yet. But as you can imagine, sifting through a landfill probably isn't the greatest. I know they got volunteers sifting through stuff, and our guys are digging up the cell areas, and I'm trying to find a backhoe that went down. That's the one I delivered. And the pin drop said it's right here. As you can see, there's no backhoe. Well, there's that mini, but that doesn't count. So, that's cool. Another day in the life of a lowboy operator, driver, whatever you want to call us. Hopefully they find the kids sooner than later. I think they have a suspect and everything. Not sure if they told, or if this suspect told them, or what, but there's reasonable suspicion that he is here in this landfill, and they have staked it out and been digging up all the old waste. And I guess they have timestamps to where the kid was, or I can't even, it feels weird saying that. But basically they found or have a image from the scale. I assume they have some sort of a X-ray camera like they do at like baggage claim and stuff, or somehow a garbage truck operator didn't see that there was a body-shaped bag on top of their load and came and dumped it. But they have image of what they think is a body, which, sad. But best case scenario, they find them sooner than later, give that family some closure. I think the kid's only 16 years old, so there's that. Just another day in the life of this, I don't know, season of the good old USA being absolute trash bag. Then I'll continue looking for my backhoe. I'll find it somewhere. See how this guy goes. Apparently, it's going into D-rate, so decided to track it the half mile. Well, just tracking my way through the landfill now, because I got a pin drop that didn't really matter because it was on the opposite end of the landfill, and I'd already dropped, so go me. But I see in the distance a John Deere 350. There we go. Yay! So now I get to piss off all the workers as they're coming in. I don't know what time the volunteers come, but I'm assuming 6, because the state or FBI or whoever is feeding people breakfast. I don't get breakfast. Guess I should have showed up at 7. Weak. Also, my boots are a little nutty. I got stuck at the other job site because they put like 3 feet of freaking wood chips down and nothing solid underneath it. So that was fun. Gotta love it. Wet boots all day.
Well, at least there's a rainbow after that aggressive storm. But no dents on the truck. Plenty of hail left over. And unfortunately, this doesn't even make it look bad. All the windows are good. Just need Kris to get on the roof. Check that out. This doesn't do it justice because it's been melting and it shattered. It was pretty big. I'd say probably like golf ball size hail. Kris is up on the roof making sure everything looks good. Today we're helping Andrea's parents trim some trees on their property to get ready for our arrival in a few weeks. We'll be setting up the RV here for the rest of summer, but first, tree trimming. And let me tell you, it just so happens to be the hottest day of the summer so far here in the Midwest, so we were definitely feeling the heat. After we finished up, we treated ourselves to homemade queso and a burger bar. But here's the thing. I got a little carried away with the spice on Kris's burger, and he took one bite and was sweating like crazy the rest of lunch. We can't wait to share more of our summer adventures with you.
What is it? The point not to... It's just sweat in his hair. Rude. You're too hard.
Kris and I have been working hard on our bowling skills, and let me tell you, we're definitely improving. We've been practicing our throws and have been having a blast along the way. Now we're even tossing around the idea of joining a bowling league this fall as subs while we're still in town. Who knows, Maybe you'll see us bowling our way to a championship soon. Stay tuned for all of our bowling adventures.
I won by 1 pin.
That was close. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.